Hello everyone. In the last lecture we have learned the concept of data structure, what is the need of data structure, what is the meaning of linear and non-linear data structure. Also we have discussed the classification of data structure. So today we are going to be discussing the important topic, that is operations on data structure. Like after creating or after the thing, what kind of operations we can perform on the data structure. So total there are 8 operations we can perform on the data structure. The first one we are considering as a creation. It means that we can create our own data structure according to the requirement. Consider the example, if we want to store the 5 elements or the 5 values, so in that case we are going to be using the concept of array. So in example we are trying to create a one variable name of array with the size of 5, and here we have provided the data type like a integer. So here totally 5 variables are going to be created, like AR of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and total 5 values we can store inside these variables of the type of integer. It means that we can create our own data structure according to the requirement, and this is the first operations we can perform on the data structure. Now considering the second one, that is the insertion. Insertion means whatever the data structure previously we have created, so here we can insert the data into the data structure. Like if you want to insert the data inside a list, so there are 3 ways are there. One is at the beginning we can insert the data, at the end we can insert the data, or at the desired location we can insert the data. So this is the second operation we can perform on the data structure. Third one is we are having, that is a traversal. It means that visiting each element of the data structure at least once. It means that like we are having the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that case first we will visit to the 1, afterwards we will visit to the 2, afterwards 3, 4, and at the end we are trying to visit the element 5. So that is the concept we are going to be calling as the traversal, and this is the third operation on the data structure. The next operation on the data structure we are having, that is the searching. It means that searching of an element in the given number of list or the elements. So if you want to search a element from a list, we are having the two ways, or we are having the two algorithms. One is the linear search, another one is the binary search. So linear search we are considering it is the simplest way of searching an element, and binary search it works on divide and conquer rule. Next we are having, that is the sorting. It means that rearranging the elements in a particular order. One thing is either we can sort the elements into the ascending, or we are sort the elements into the descending order. Like several algorithms are going to be available, like we are having the bubble sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, radix sort, etc. to sort the elements into the ascending or the descending order. The next operation on the data structure, that is we are having the merging. Merging means, like consider we are having the two different lists. So these two different lists we are merging into a single list. That is we are going to be combining into a single list. That is the thing or the concept we are going to be calling as a merging. The next operation we are having, that is updation. It means that updating the current value in the data structure with some new value, or we can considering like example we are having a one name SIT college. So this particular data we can replace with the SIT college or SIT polytechnic. And the last one we are having the deletion. Deletion means if you want to delete the data from a list or from a data structure. So there are mainly 3 ways are there to delete a data from a list. That is we are calling as a deleting a data from the beginning, deleting a data from the end, and deleting a data from a given location. So the summarize is operations on the data structure. Total we are having the 8 operation. Either first one, that is the creation. Here we are trying to create our own data structure as per the requirements. Insertion means we are trying to inserting the data into the data structure from the beginning, at the end, or given to the location, or we can traverse into the data structure. Also we can search the key element from a data structure. We can sort the data into the ascending order as well as into the descending order. We can combine two data, that is we are calling as a merging. We can replace the old value with the new value, that is we are calling as a updation. And the last thing is deletion. We can delete the data from a data structure from the beginning, from the end, or from a desired location. And this particular operations on data structure concept asked MSBT question paper for the winter 8, summer 10, winter 10, summer 12, winter 12, summer 13, winter 14, summer 15, winter 15, summer 16, as well as winter 17 for the 4 marks as well as for the 8 marks. Thank you.